What is up, everybody? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another moto vlog. What's up? So right now it's currently about 8:30 and I'm on my way to work. And see, after work I gotta leave early and then I gotta go to York because I gotta get another medical evaluation for my finger. So I gotta drive about 45 minutes or so to work. I gotta leave early. I gotta leave around 2 o'clock or so from work. And I gotta head about an hour south down to York. That'll be fun. I gotta sneeze. I don't want to sneeze in my helmet. Whew. Alright. I think we're good. So, an update for you on the generator. Yeah, that thing was basically brand new. Tinkered with it a little bit, got it running good, got it tested good, sold it. Hell yeah. Made a little over $100 on it, so I can't complain. I did pretty good with it. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Taking this road to work on the bike. Well, pretty much here. See when I'm done. Woo! It's a little warm out right now. But yep, it's that time. So I'm done work for today and now I'm headed off to York. So got my route planned out. Unfortunately, I'm going to be doing mostly highway, so won't be able to talk too much, but it'll be alright. We'll get there. Make a little stop about a quarter of the way down at Sheets. Grab some fuel, take a little drink quick, and then be on my way from there. Huh. Well, he knows how to use the left turn signal. What are you doing? At least this part of 222 has been repaved recently and it feels much, much better. Go ahead, bud. it burning fish oil. One thing I do gotta say is, this is a nice view out here. It's been a while since I've been out here. Nice, it's not incredibly windy. Please stay green for me. Please stay green for me. Woo! Stay green for me. Yay. What are you doing? Well, I'm glad that's over with. They did a little bit of testing, a little bit of touchy-feely, pokey, and questiony, and all that stuff. And then they were like, okay, we're going to test your grip. Howdy, howdy. So they tested my grip, and they were like, all right, you're good to go. Thanks for coming down. Like, oh, okay. See you later. Now I have my lovely trip back home. Easy, skipper. Howdy, howdy. Well, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you liked what you saw, leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when my next video comes out. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.